Once you've produced a crosstab that you're happy with, you can turn it into a chart if you wish. To do this, you can just select crosstab here and use this drop-down menu to select chart. As you can see, when it first loads in, you'll be presented with a single bar on a chart. This gives the total number of events that have occurred that meet your remit based on filters and the domain you've selected. This isn't the most useful chart in most cases, so up here we've got this slider that says rows. At the moment you can see the slider is at the end that says total, but up here we've got another point, and in this case it says month. So if we slide that across to month, it'll split your data out based on whichever rows you put into your crosstab. As you can see here, as you work with the charts, you can hover over them and it will give you a pop-up indicating the number of events within that month. However, you can see here that the months have been organized in alphabetical order, which is the default for all text fields within Jaspersoft. So, in order to fix this, we have another date and time field that pertains to month. So we have month, as you can see here, the one we're using, which calculates the field from the data input, and it returns the month the event has happened in. We've also got this one, which is MM, and this brings back the month in a numerical format. So if I bring this one in, you can see now that it's incorporated these into a numerical 1 through 12 for each month. And as long as we place that first in a list of rows, it will sort by that. And then the names of the months will work through in chronological order. If you had it the other way around, it would still work alphabetically. As you can see here, we've now got 3 points on our data rows. We've got total, month, and now MM as well. So at the moment this is just set to month as it was before. If I drag this out to include MM, it will include the numbers, but still in the alphabetical order because month is first. If we put MM first, as you can see at this first data point, we've got 1 through 12, and if we slide it across again, we get all 12 months. Once you're happy with your chart, you can go to this cog icon, and if you want to change the chart type, even though you're happy with the data, you can select here. From here, you get a variety of options of column and bar, line and area, dual and multi-axis, time series, scatter, pie charts, and ranges. So for example, if you want to select another chart, all you have to do is select it within the options, and it will appear here. All of these charts will, as default, come with a legend. They'll be color-coded if you are using anything other than a basic column chart. And again, you can hover over them, and they will give you the values involved. You can also customize the charts by using chart format. Here you can edit things such as the interval between axis labels, where the legend is situated and whether you have a legend at all, whether the measure names appear, and some auto scaling on the labels. You can also change appearance by choosing whether to show data points on line charts and lines on scatter charts. And we also have some advanced functionality where you can add your own properties from scratch. Once you're happy with those, you can click apply and then select OK and you'll be brought back.